So let's take a look at the top 5 dash cameras, the best dash cams that are available in India under the 5000 price segment. Now do note that I have made detailed videos on each of the dash cams which I'm going to show you in this video. So do make sure to check out the review video as well if you want to get some detailed info about any particular dash camera. And if you're interested in purchasing any of it, just click down on the description. I'll provide you the purchase links right there along with some additional cameras which you can also consider as your next budget dash cam. You're watching Gizmobeep. Let's get started. So starting off the list with probably the most favorite dash cam for everybody under the budget segment, I'm talking about the 70mm M200, the only budget dash cam in the world which gets a Star-V2 sensor, specifically the IMX662. Now this provides a full HD resolution with HDR, and along with it, it gives you voice control, it gives you parking monitoring features. It also gets a 128GB SD card support along with time-lapse monitoring and G sensor recording during parking mode. So having a Star-V2 sensor under the 5000 segment is what sets this camera apart from every other dashcam out there. And of course, the effect might not be as drastic as what you might expect in a 4K camera, but still the number plate readability and the low light visibility is quite good compared to most other dash cameras. So coming under the price bracket of 5000 rupees, specifically 4999, this is one of the most ideal and the most popular choices within this price range. Moving on to the next dashcam in this list, I'm talking about the Nexdigitron ACE2. Now this too has a lot of features working in favor of this dashcam. Starting off with the fact that this gets a Quad HD 1440p resolution, this gets a GPS, and this also gets a mini screen. The screen actually doesn't show any video recording, but it does show you some important aspects regarding the camera, which is quite helpful and very practical. Coming under the price bracket of about 4500 rupees, the Nexdigitron ACE2 also gives you voice control, it gives you a super capacitor, it supports parking monitoring and has a memory card support of up to 256GB. So currently at the time of making this video, this camera is trending at about 4499 from a normal regular price of about 4999. So do consider getting this, as this is the most value for money dashcam because it brings in a lot of features within that small price range. So moving on to the third dashcam in this list, a very recently reviewed dashcam. I'm talking about the Aeon DRS single channel dashcam. Nothing special in terms of resolution, it gives you only a 1080p resolution, but what sets this camera apart and what makes it very unique is the software based enhancements. Specifically talking about the automatic license plate read capability. It has got geofencing, it gets cloud storage, which means you can upload videos up to 5GB. You can also have GPS tracking. So these kind of unique software based features and in-app features are very unique to this segment and haven't been offered by any other camera. So if you're someone who wants to have some level of cloud storage, if you want to save your recorded videos on the cloud, if you want to implement geofencing and monitor your car's location, this is the camera which you should be checking out. But do note that all this doesn't happen in real time. This can only happen once the car is back and once you downloaded the data from the dashcam after connecting to the smartphone. Nevertheless, having all of these features under the 5000 segment is quite unique, and if you're someone who is specifically looking for those features, the Aeon DRS just might work for you. So moving on to the fourth dashcam in this list and coming under the price bracket of about 4000 rupees, I'm talking about the Botslab HK30 Pro. So this is a very small, sleek and minimalistic design camera. I mean, I really like the design concept, and of course the video quality is quite surprisingly good for the price this camera trends at. This gets a 1296p resolution, it supports parking monitoring and all the standard features which you might expect from a budget dashcam. And considering Botslab is a new entrant into the dashcam market, it hasn't been so popular compared to the other brands. But I really do consider this to be a worthy competitor in the budget segment because of its video quality and because of its super minimalistic form factor. I've tried this dashcam out personally and I'm quite happy and satisfied with its performance. You can check out its detailed review video in the description below. And just in case if you are interested in getting the Botslab HK30, you can get some additional discount using the coupon code which you will find in the description. So just click down on the link, apply the coupon code, you'll get some additional discount, bringing down the effective price to even lesser points. So coming under the price bracket of 4000 rupees, the Botslab HK30 is also a super good option those who are looking for a very minimalistic and a good performing dash camera. So moving on to the fifth camera in this list, I'm talking about the Easy N700, and this is currently trending at a price of less than 3500 rupees. The good thing about this camera is that it provides a 1296p resolution, and similar to what the Botslab HK30 does, the Easy N700's video quality is also quite good considering the price this dash camera trends at. You also get a 360-degree rotatable design. This camera gets a Type-C port, and the best part about the Easy N700 is that it supports memory cards up to 512 GB. That's a lot of storage space, and probably you'll be able to save 100 plus hours worth of footage in that single memory card if you do purchase a 512 GB one. So coming under the price bracket of 3,500 rupees, more specifically around 3,200 to 3,300. If you're looking for a high storage option dash camera, you want a 1296p resolution, and you want to make sure that you can even record the cabin by just rotating the lens towards the rear, the Easy N700 just might work for you. So that being said, these were the top 5 dash cameras under the price bracket of 5,000 rupees currently available in India. But as always, let's give you a bonus dash camera. I'm talking about the Boult Cruisecam X1, and this is probably the cheapest camera available currently in India, coming at a price of about 1,999. That's less than 2,000 rupees. So I did make a review video of the Boult Cruisecam X1. You just check out the detailed review video if you want to get to know the detail about this camera. But coming under the price bracket of 2,000 rupees, that saves you a lot of money. And if you're someone who is very strict on their budget, who is very tight on the budget, the Boult Cruisecam X1 just might be your perfect choice. That being said, all the dash cams that have been mentioned in this video, all the purchase links have been given in the description, along with the video links for their detailed review videos as well. So do make sure to check out the description of this video for all the related info. And if you do have any queries or any doubts regarding any of the cameras that I've mentioned in this video, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, I'm quite sure it did, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for a budget dash camera. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.